everyone, how are you doing? I'm doing good, I'm doing great. I hope you're all fine, you're doing well. So today I will unbox my Look Fantastic of September. So if you can see the packaging, how beautiful it is like it is the 4th anniversary. So yeah, they sent me this type of box, so beautiful. If you can see, like party birthday, yeah, I really like this packaging, so beautiful. So today I will show you what they have sent me. I have already opened it, and I was very curious to know. So the little leaflet like this, and an L magazine, if you can see. Oops, an L magazine, if you can see, so thick, about latest fashion beauty products, and yeah, this magazine. And they sent me this Christmas has come early, so yeah, it is like a food Look Fantastic advert calendar. So yeah, this is, and they sent me many goodies, many good things, and they sent me this sweet. I have already eaten it, if you can see. Yeah, I really like it. So yeah, the theme is lila, yeah, really like it. So if you can see, the box is like this. So let's see what they have sent me in this box. So let me thank you. So yeah, these are the products, if you can see the products, and yeah, what is in the box. You can see, you can have an idea. Yeah. So yeah, the codes, every month on the box they write some codes. If you can see the codes, it is written like this: another year older, more fantastic than ever. Yeah. So let's see in this beauty box what they have sent us. Yeah, this is the okay. Let's try this. This is the Avalon cleanser, crème démaquillant. So yeah, made in England. I don't know this brand, so yeah, I'm happy. Let's see how it comes. Yeah, it comes like this, if you can see. Make your skin like never before with Avalon multi-award winning multi-purpose skin cleanser, suitable all type of skin. Then this exfoliating cleanser decongests, soften, and even remove stubborn waterproof makeup from your skin. How to use it: apply the cleanser once a week for normal, once a week, not every day, once a week, dry skin types, or twice a day for congested skins. Massage a small amount onto your face, neck, over the makeup, and cream all from the day. Run the muslin cloth. This is a cloth they have sent me. Muslin cloth under hot water, and in a small circular movements, and work the cloth across the face, the neck, to remove all traces of cleanser and makeup. And BB tips: warm up the cleaner between hands to melt the crystal before application. Okay. So this is a cleanser. This is a cloth you use along with this product. So you wet it with hot water, and then it told you that it contains like sugar. I don't know, big particles of sugar. You take a bit and you melt it before you put it on your face. You melt it like this, and you wash your face. So I don't have any idea how much it costs. I will search the price and I will list it. You can get an idea. So this is the first product. Thank you. And the second product, let's see. Philips Kinsley Elasticizer. Intensive super condition pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. Add elasticity, manageability, bounce and shine. So this is a pre-shampoo cream. So for best results, use regularly before shampooing wet hair and apply in section. Roll into hair with fingertips. Cover with plastic cap for arm. So before you use, you need to wet your hair and apply this product, because pot to pot, then apply in a plastic cap for 10 to 15 minutes before washing. Rinse well and follow the appropriate Philips Kinsley shampoo, conditioner and scalp toner. Final hair texture will apply sparsely through the midlands. So you need the hair shampoo. Yeah, you need the hair shampoo, conditioner and scalp toner. So you use it, and you need 3 other products followed to have a good hairy bouncy hair. So for my hair, I'll see, I have very dry hair, so I'm excited to use this product. If you can see, the product is like this. Yeah, this is the second product. And the third product is that intensive the original mane and tail hoof marker hand and tail therapy. If you can see, it's like this. So let's see, what is this? I don't know what is this. Original from hoof maker hand and nail cream. The force absorbing and non-greasy cream targets to crack dry skin, and not only on your hand but on your feet and body. When applied to hand, it strengthens and protect nails to leave them strong and healthy. Expect smooth, comfortable and rejuvenated skin all over straight after the application. How to use it? Massage into dry skin on your hands, feet and body, especially in your knees and elbows. BB tips: use to remove false nails, to soften any irritate and restore the I'm excited. They sent me this product. If you can see, the product is like this. So yeah, it's like a cream. Look how it is. It is like butter. Oh wow, look, soften, so easy. So I think this product is made in USA. Yeah, made in USA. Soften. And even you can, it is like a multi-purpose cream, because you can use it for your nail, you can use it for your hand, you can use it for your feet, you can use it for your body. I like this type of product because you can use it everywhere. So yeah, I'm very excited for this product. This is the third product. And the fourth product is this aromatherapy associates revive morning bath and shower gel. If you can see, the packaging is like this. So it is made in UK, and it is it is 9 ml. No, this is a sample size. So the ritual: add 2 capsules to your bath and smooth over the body before showering. I think it is an oil. The smell is strong, guys. Lavender, peppermint or revive. I got the revive one, so yeah. Make your bath or shower time even better with this luxurious. This is a luxurious brand. I didn't know. Luxurious bath and shower oil by Aromatherapy Associates. This month you will have either receive the lavender or peppermint or revive morning bath or shower oil. Both allow you to indulge in a moment of peace, experience the invigorating powers of aromatherapy in the comfort of your own home. How to use it? Add a capsule of oil to your warm bath or massage into your torso. A cup of hand, bring them into your face and exhale. Bring them to your face and inhale deeply 3 times. BB tips. Inhaling the incredible scent of the bath and shower will help you practicing mindfulness and meditation. So make time for some me time this month and prepare for extreme relaxation. It says you take it like this and you very makes you more relaxed. Mindfulness meditation. Yeah, I feel relaxed. Of course, yeah, it is a job. I really like this product. I got this Revive morning, so yeah. I think still it's like a oil, you use it and before you get to the. So yeah, I'm happy this product. I never knew this brand. This brand is by Aromatherapy Associates. If you're in UK, you can get it. So yeah, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th product. So the 5th product they sent me. This is the Ultra Mood Moss Mud. It comes like this, and if you can see the packaging, this is a mud. What is said? Ultra Moon Mud Mouse detox, cleans, and revive your skin with this mouse that works to purify, energize, and define your contours of your face. Using this range of anti-aging benefits, this clay mouse expertly hydrates and protects your skin as it works deeply to lift and brighten your complexions. Oh yeah. How to use it? Apply it to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave it for 15 minutes and remove thoroughly with a damp facial matte cloth. So yeah, you apply it on your face, then you wait for 15 minutes and yeah, you use a damp cloth or this, you use it and you remove the excess. And yeah, if you have a BB dry skin, it is said you must use here T-zone here. So yeah, let's see how it is. The packaging, it comes like this, and yeah, has a smell of camphor. It like this. So yeah, it's so small. Why can't it be a little bit more? 5 ml. Working on with Hungarian Nobel Prize winning laboratory. It contains healing water. Yeah, this is a product of Hungary. Yeah, I'm excited to try this kind of products. And the last one is this Lodenberry. www.com. If you can see, you can go to the official site to see this color. This is a this is a strawberry cream. So yeah, it is like it come like this. If you can see. You can see, yeah, that. So let's try this. even here a bit on your nose. It's like a highlighter in pencil, so in the form of pencil. So yeah. Yeah. How do you fancy? Even on your nose, on the cubist bow. Yeah. Lightly dot the pencil across whenever you want to highlight and blend it with the fingertips. So yeah, you do it like this. You put it for baby tips, try it on the lid of your eyes as a shimmery base or a supple for supple everyday color. You can use it. This is a multi-product brochure, so I don't know the prices. So yeah, and even now, I'm very impressed by this beauty box because if you can see, they sent me 6 products. So yeah, I like this beauty box because it contains so much different products to try. And yeah, especially this one because I really wanted a cream for my nails. So yeah, I really like this one. So till then, we will meet next video, another video. We can have a beauty review about this product. So yeah, stay tuned and we will meet next video. So bye bye, take care. Okay, bye bye, love you, bye bye, bye bye.